Either if you want to turn off text prediction on your Samsung Galaxy S25, then this video is for you. First, you just need to go to settings and make sure that you are using Samsung keyboard. Then this settings is for that Samsung keyboard. Then you just need to scroll down until you find general management and go through the Samsung keyboard settings, where you'll find predictive text option. If it's turned on, then it will predict the next text, or it will uh, already add the next text by itself. So if you if you want to turn off this feature, then you have to tap on the toggle button for once. When it turn on into the gray color, that means it has just turn off the predict next text predict, or turn off the text prediction on your Samsung Galaxy S25 keyboard. So that's how you can just turn off that feature. Hope you found this video helpful. If so, then give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe our channel, and thanks for watching. Till next time.